Hello everybody. It is late at night and I just got in. I'm so tired, but I wanted to record this video and see if I could put it up tomorrow because the video that I did with Dawkins is taking like 5 business days to upload. I thought it would have been ready today when I was out and my reception was a bit better, that it would have finished, but it did not. And so we are still waiting. So hopefully I could put this video up Saturday. But welcome, my name is LashawnTerry. If you are new here, hello. How are you? Now it's saying 2 hours remaining. When I was out, it was like 20 minutes. Now it's back to 2 hours. But I do have a playlist for you to look at to see what other things we share in common. Besides what this video is about. Here's my thing. I told y'all that I was going to come talk to y'all about Keto Chow, but before we get into that, oh my gosh, I'm trying to clean my bathroom and he just left stuff every which way and disorganized and disshuffled. So I used one of the Dawkins new scents, and y'all will know what it is because that video will be up before this one, but this had a strawberry note in it. It's the Nude Muse, and I remember I bought a strawberry oil from Bubble Bistro, which smells so good and so sweet, and I put this on today. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, and it was a nice combination. Yes, it was. So let's get into this box. So Keto Chow. Again, I have lots of videos on Keto Chow, and I don't know how they got my order into this box, this little box, but Keto Chow is a meal replacement, healthy meal replacement shake. It is diabetic friendly. You can do you can make a lot of stuff with the keto shake. You can make ice cream. You can do your shakes hot. You can do them cold. You can make them up to a week in advance. So all you got to do is grab and go. I came across Keto Chow a couple of years ago. I got sick and lost my appetite. And so I was thinking, instead of trying to force myself to eat food, find a meal replacement shake where I didn't have to doctor it up. At the time I think I was doing keto. I'm not 100% sure. Or ketovore. And so I wanted something that I didn't have to doctor up with bananas and fruit and stuff, and that tastes good as well and didn't have sugar in it. And so for whatever reason, it popped up in my Instagram feed, Keto Chow. So I was like, oh boy. Went to YouTube, looked at a couple of videos, and, came across the videos of the owners. He started Keto Chow because he was making his own meal replacement shakes for his weight loss journey. And people started asking him for the recipe, which he gave. And so there went Keto Chow. So many people was interested in it. And him and his wife, started Keto Chow. That is out of Draper, Utah. You don't have to doctor these up with any other fruit. You can make ice cream, pudding, do your shake. It's just so many things that you can do with this. Some people will do 2 meal replacement shakes because they work and come home and do a dinner. I need to eat my food. I eat most of the time twice a day. I used to do OMAD, but trying to get in all of your calories in one meal, it got old. So I switched to 2MAD, which is 2 meals a day. And so I'm really not a breakfast person, so these shakes will fare well for me because the way I make mines, I make it kind of fatty, so it will hold me over until I'm ready to eat dinner. I got the ones that I got is raspberry cheesecake, pistachio, donuts, chocolate toffee, chocolate peanut butter, chocolate mint, blueberry pie, chocolate, and banana. And then I ordered their, I like their Endless Summer electrolytes. Very good. I also use their magnesium, and I use their plain electrolytes as well. So I do have videos of the different things that I've made with my Keto Chow. You can also put Keto Chow in your coffee. So if you are a coffee drinker, you can put a pack of Keto Chow in your coffee. And there you got your meal replacement. You're drinking your coffee along with your meal replacement. You do have to put at least a tablespoon of fat, whether it be cream cheese, heavy cream, egg, butter. Some people like to use heavy cream. I just use an egg and butter. I used to use 3 tablespoons of butter and an egg, but now I just use 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 egg. And I promise you, again, you will not taste the egg in the Keto Chow. And I've never gotten sick or anything. So that was banana that I showed you, chocolate. My favorite is chocolate toffee. This tastes just like those Girl Scout cookies. And then they also have a YouTube channel. Just go to Keto Chow on YouTube. The husband and wife, the owners, they come on once or twice a week and do videos and answer questions, which you don't get. They're very open about the ingredients that they use in their products and everything. So I'm not going to say each. Like, for instance, this chocolate mint. It's 26 grams of protein for this whole packet, 1.24 net carbs. It's an ultra low carb milkshake. They do have certain flavors are sweetened with stevia, and certain ones are sweetened with I can't remember the name of it. I'm trying to find the name of the sweetener. What's the other one that they use? Sucralose. So sucralose is not a chemical. It is a sweetener which you only need a drip to sweeten your drink. The amount of the sweetener that is in this sucralose, they said is as small as, you see that? The tip of your nail. That's why it's, it can be used by people who have diabetes. It has 30 plus vitamins. It's half of your daily nutrients in each serving. You do need the fat to activate the vitamins that's in it. So you can use, like I said, whatever one you want. They do have on the back where they tell you how many calories of the dry mix, and then how many calories they put heavy cream. They used to have it where it had butter, stuff like that, but with a half cup of heavy cream, it'll be 530 calories. I don't suggest you do that. A half a cup of heavy cream, I would say a fourth of a cup, and maybe, if even that, a couple of tablespoons. That's a lot of fat. If you are on a high fat diet, then a half a cup of heavy cream may work for you. For me, especially when my gallbladder out, that's way too much cream. So I just do butter and an egg. That's what I do. And then all the nutrition facts are on the back of the thing that you can read, all of the calories and stuff. So this one is 26 grams of protein. The chocolate is 27 grams of protein. So yeah, they sure do know how to pack a box. This is their electrolytes. I really like Element the best, the watermelon. But the Keto bakery here closed, and I used to get it on the ground. My friends say you can get the Element off of Amazon and get it by the next day. But I do like the Endless Summer. They have a whole lot more flavors. Since I last bought their stuff, their electrolytes is 0 sugars, dyes, citric acid, and maltodextrin or fillers. That means it's 0. Yeah. So that's that. And then this is all of I'm not going to take all of this out, but this is all of the flavors that I told you about is all packed in this box. They know how to pack a box. Chocolate peanut butter is good, especially in a coffee. Pistachio is good in a coffee. Raspberry cheesecake is delicious in a coffee. So I don't know about banana. I've never put banana in a coffee before, but this depends on what you like. This is the blueberry pie. So they have a whole bunch of flavors that you can buy. Just go and look through it. The electrolytes, they have vitamins that Dr. Berry made up for people who order Keto Chow to use. They're a very upstanding company. My husband drinks the Keto Chow shakes, so I buy them for him as well. I just really got back into them for whatever reason. I just wasn't liking them. I was eating bad. Every time I would try to drink one, it was just like, sometimes I go through those moods, but since I've been trying to get back on my eating healthy and working out, they've been very good, and I didn't have any. I would give a lot of them to my husband, and so I had a couple of bags left just to see if I would be able to tolerate them. And it's been no issues. So, yeah. So that's all I got for y'all. Please give a thumbs up on your way in. If you have any questions on Keto Chow, just leave it in the comments, and I will answer your questions the best I could. So, with that being said, I'm out of here. Peace.